Okay, guys. Today, I'll make a statement at the outset which may sound rather impossible to you. In an interview, we all believe that if you know the answer, you would get obviously a better score than if you don't know the answer. But then if you know how to tackle the negative response properly, many a time you may score higher than a person who gave a positive response. For example, there is a question on wind surfing. Let's say you have never done wind surfing and you know absolutely nothing about it other than seeing wind surfing in a few movies. Now let's say how you can make your negative response very impressive. Your answer would be something like this: I'm afraid I do not have any first-hand experience of wind surfing. But then I have seen the event in many movies, many videos, and sometimes I have witnessed this directly from the seashore. What impressed me most is the way they handle the surf and how they slide over gigantic, colossal waves. Unbelievable indeed. I found it so exciting that I'd like to do it at some time in the future, as early as possible. But then, I'm told it's a risky game. So I have second thoughts whether I should do it or not. Now please note, this is a negative response. You have not done windsurfing and you don't have any first-hand experience. Now in this context, you may be scoring higher than a positive response. If a positive response goes like this, now this is your sample of a positive response. You know, I have done windsurfing, but then I think it's some kind of a risky game. So I didn't like it. So I stopped it. Now between these two responses, which one do you think would score higher? Obviously the first one. That's a negative response, where this particular candidate has no experience at all of windsurfing. So it's your optimism, your risk-taking, your adventurism, your attitude towards life which counts, even when you don't have any first-hand experience of a particular activity. So that's why I say if you tackle or if you handle your negative answer properly, you can even outdo a positive answer. While you watch some of the interview slides, I will continue this narration, interview slides. Okay guys, here you see the face expression, the beaming appearance, the confident outlook of the candidate, which is making a hell of an impact to the interviewer. Now, a negative response with a positive body language, a negative response with an optimistic outlook, a negative response with willingness to check it out, a negative response with the desire to try it out, expressed properly, would always score higher than a positive response which is shallow in content. Sometimes a positive response itself can be negative, like the case of the windsurfer who said, I have tried it once, it's really risky, I don't want to do it again. Now see, that reflects your attitude and that negates your score. Whereas a negative response, the candidate said, I never tried it, but I found it so exciting, so thrilling that I desperately want to try it out. So in the nearest opportunity, I would like to check it out, because I've seen these guys surf over gigantic colossal waves and it's such an adrenaline rush. What a beautiful answer. But a negative response. Back to me, please. Okay, guys. There are many more instances where a negative response could even outdo the positive response. For example, if there is a question on foreign travel, see, you are someone who has never traveled abroad, so that's a negative response. But then if you present it like this, see, I have never traveled abroad, but it has always been my desire to explore planet Earth, to see more countries, more cultures, more lifestyles, to relish the food habits of people from other parts of the globe. So it has always been my dream and desire to travel abroad. See, it's a negative response handled pretty well. Now look at a positive response handled not so very well. Yes, I have traveled to Pakistan. They have a very conservative society. So that trip was rather dull and boring. I didn't really enjoy it. See, it's a positive response with a negative outlook, which may score lesser than the negative response with a positive outlook. So be sure, you can even score higher than a positive response with a negative response if you tackle it properly. Thank you very much.